Hello class, this is a video on geometric labeling. So far you may already know how to label a few angles. You already know that acute angles are any angles that are from 0 to 90 degrees. Now, this may already seem new to some of you, because if you take a look, we have a symbol there. That symbol is called theta. And theta is the symbol in mathematics most often associated to an angle. So, an acute angle is bigger than 0, but less than 90. The next one that we know of is an obtuse angle, or obtuse angles. Those are angles, so it will be theta. It must be bigger than 90, but it's less than 180. We have a reflex angle. And reflex angles are angles, so theta, well, they have to be bigger than 180, but less than 360. And then we have special angles that go in between, so we know what a right angle is. Right angle. We know what a straight angle is. Straight angle. We know what a revolution is. A right angle we know is exactly also theta is equal to exactly 90 degrees. Notice how it's different. This is a range of angles, so it could be any angle from 0 to 90, whereas in a right angle the theta, or the angle, must be 90. A straight angle, the theta must equal exactly 180, and a revolution, theta, the angle, has to be exactly 360. However, these are just what's known as classifying angles. Classifying angles. By that, you should now be able to, if I go, oh, there we go, there's some angle with theta in the middle. You can classify this. You know straight away that this angle is an acute angle. If I gave you another angle, if I gave you this one, and theta is inside here, so it's that angle, we can classify it as an obtuse angle. And finally, we can just keep going. One more. I give it to you like this. We can classify that one. So theta this time is on the outside. This time we know that this is a reflex angle. But this is just classifying angles. These are just classifying angles. But in mathematics, we go deeper than this. So let's get to actual geometric labeling. Just so that you're not confused. So we begin. In mathematics, we have what's known as vertices for plural, or vertex. And in mathematics, vertices are just, well, you can also label them, you can also call them, points. So here's one point, and we label it using letters. So this one I'm just going to label as A. So that there is point A. We can have, and then from this, if we have two vertices, we have a line. And when lines are joined by two vertices. So here we have 1 point. So here's point A. There is point B. If we join those two, here we have, we now call this, we can call this line AB. In some mathematicians may label it as A, B with a bar on top. So that's line AB. So not line, that's lines. Lines. And then we're going to move on to now vertices. Oh, sorry, dang it. Angles. Well, if two vertices make a line, two lines will make an angle. So these are angles are created by two lines sharing one vertex. So by that I mean, so here we have 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. That's point A, that's point B, that's point C. If I make line AB and line BC, we now have an angle here. So take a look. Line AB and line BC share the point B. So B is shared by AB, because AB, that line, is sharing that point, and line BC is also sharing that point. And this angle is labeled as angle ABC, and it's very important. Oh, sorry, before I continue, angle ABC or angle CBA. And it's very important that this middle letter, notice the middle letter is always the shared vertex. So that's how we label angles, lines, and vertices geometrically.